Hey, welcome to Brains Pump for 5th August 2024 Current Affairs. Which country has been highlighted for its significant influence on India's economic and cultural landscape according to The Hindu? Option A, United Kingdom. B, United States. C, China. D, Germany. Answer A, United Kingdom. What was a major topic discussed at the WHO's 77th World Health Assembly? Option A, climate change. B, global pandemic preparedness. C, trade regulations. D, cybersecurity. Answer B, global pandemic preparedness. Which sector contributed the most to the revenue generated by Indian companies in the UK as of 2018? Option A, pharmaceuticals. B, technology and telecom. C, textiles. D, automobiles. Answer B, technology and telecom. In the context of UK-India relations, which initiative focuses on higher education and research? Option A, Make in India. B, UKERI. C, Skill India Mission. D, Digital India. Answer B, UKERI. Which article in The Hindu discusses the wealth disparity in India? Option A, The Economics of Poverty. B, The Psychology of Extravagance. C, The Struggle for Equality. D, The Wealth Gap. Answer B, The Psychology of Extravagance. What is one of the main challenges in negotiating the pandemic treaty according to The Hindu? Option A, political instability. B, intellectual property rights. C, environmental concerns. D, technological advancements. Answer B, intellectual property rights. Which bilateral relationship was emphasized through the 5 mutuals according to The Hindu? Option A, India and United States. B, India and China. C, India and Russia. D, India and Japan. Answer B, India and China. Which Indian initiative received support from the UK during the Indian Prime Minister's visit in 2015? Option A, Digital India. B, Make in India. C, Skill India Mission. D, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Answer C, Skill India Mission. How many members of Parliament of Indian origin were recorded in the UK as of January 2013? Option A, 5. B, 8. C, 12. D, 15. Answer B, 8. What was the major theme of the article published in The Hindu on 1st August 2024 about international health? Option A, climate change impact. B, pandemic treaty negotiations. C, global trade agreements. D, cybersecurity threats. Answer B, pandemic treaty negotiations. Subscribe Brains Pump for learn more.